Ugly Duckling. Long time ago, a farmer had a duck who laid 4 eggs. After a few days, all the eggs hatched. 3 ducklings looked like their mother, and the 4th one looked different. He was big and gray. All other ducklings started making fun of him, as they started calling him ugly. After some days, the sad duckling ran away to a nearby river. There he saw a beautiful white swan. After seeing their beauty, he wanted to drown in the river, but when he looked at his reflection in the river, he realized he was not an ugly duckling, but a beautiful swan. Moral: always accept everyone for who they are.